I have started recording, and this video is being recorded by me. So, hello, how
Thank
are
you.
you, Nitna?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. You tell me, how are you, Israel?
Yeah, I'm also doing fantastic. Thank you for asking.
hmm
How has your day been so far?
Okay. So today is Sunday, so today is very busy day for me. So my husband now he went somewhere to meet his friend, and after that I get time for myself. Otherwise, if he will be there, I don't have time for myself also.
Okay, okay. So now you have a chance to have a conversation. Hmm?
Yes, that's
Mm,
why I send him.
mm, mm,
You
I
tell
can
me, how are
understand.
you?
Yeah, I'm great, and I had been searching, partner for a conversation for 10 days,
hmm
but I did not get. Getting partner is very challenging nowadays. Hmm?
Is it really possible? Is it really important to find partners? You can practice your English by your own, I think.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I think when you talk on the video call, it is good for you. But when you call
hmm
an audio call, when you practice by yourself, okay, it is totally different. Okay,
hmm
when you
hmm
talk yourself, when you practice and you audio call, at that time you should, we will not satisfied. Okay, according to me. But when I call, when I practice on the video call, then I get happy.
hmm
You feel also like that, you. Hmm?
Yes, I feel also that the same, but the problem is coming every day. I can't able to search some partners for video call, right? Then I
Hmm.
decided to talk with Chat GPT. Every day I ask so
Okay.
many questions with the Chat GPT, and I said to Chat GPT, please correct myself. Then
Hmm.
these days
Okay.
I'm doing this.
Okay. So do I also, but still I'm not satisfied. You know,
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
on a video call I can see you, you can see me. Okay. We are
hmm
sharing, we are sharing our knowledge.
hmm But
Hmm.
I must say that don't have you don't have somebody that who can interrupt in between that. But I have my son, my husband, my in-laws. They can
Yeah.
interrupt me anytime. So that's why I am good with ChatGPT because
Mm-hmm. Right,
it's not possible for me to free every time, right?
right, right. Initially, I have not become habitual to have a conversation on video call, but
hmm
nowadays I have become habitual to have a conversation on a video call. Then I get feel
Hmm.
and better because I wanna see the people. I wanna talk I wanna have a conversation on video call. Okay,
hmm
okay. So what is your plan today? What do you want to do?
Like today is Sunday, so my half day has gone. But in the
Did
evening,
you make any special food, chicken biryani, mutton biryani like that?
no,
Because
I'm
it is
vegetarian.
oh my God.
I'm a
Okay, so are you
vegetarian.
saving money? Are saving money? Hmm?
No, I'm not saving money. Actually, I am vegetarian from my childhood. But yeah,
Okay.
my husband he eats something like he can eat anything. But yeah, in the evening time we are decided to go outside, like for having some dinner also we can eat. Otherwise we can eat some uh chatter putter like whatever we want to eat.
Yes, 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 I can understand
So
pani
we are
puri
not
chori
fixed.
bhatori like that.
Hmm. Yeah, these
Mhm.
kind of the things we can eat in the evening.
So what do you like to eat? Pani puri and chole bhatori and samosa, pakori. What do you want to eat?
Like it depends on mood. Like uh
Okay, okay.
like 2 and 3 days. I don't know why I want to eat dahi balle. There is a one shop of nearby by my home. But so I said to him, I said to my husband that I want to eat dahi balle. Can you bring for me? So he said no. Yesterday you eat pani puri. Why you have craving all the time? I don't have
Okay,
that much
okay.
money. So I said, okay, no problem. Like Sunday will come, then you will bring dahi balle for me. So he said, okay, on Sunday I will provide you that. Otherwise, don't think too much about these kind of the foods because this is not good. Na? Every time you can eat outside food. But I
because
am a
it
very
is
big
called
foodie.
because it is called processed food, junk food. Okay, so we should
Hmm.
not eat every day. It is very
Hmm.
harmful for our health. But sometimes we should take,
Hmm.
okay, in a week, once in a month, no problem. Okay.
But I don't know
And,
why, Israel. I love that. Every day
okay,
you can
okay.
come with, like, every day my husband is going for his office for his work. I said, okay, bring something. Okay, come with,
Okay,
bring something. So he said, okay, tell me what you want to eat. So I said, okay,
okay,
today come with malai chap. Today come with pani puri. Today come with this. I never said that come with fruits. Now you are has gone from my side.
okay.
Yeah, now you are visible.
Not it's okay now.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay, okay. So sometimes he brings for you chapata, and sometimes he does not bring for you. Am I right?
Yes,
Huh.
like he has some fixed salary now. So every day he cannot bring everything
Mhm.
for me. So he only wants, like, why don't you? Mm-hmm,
Because
tell me.
initially you told me that your husband is a
Hmm.
driver.
Hmm.
Am I right? And he drives the
Hmm.
car.
Hmm.
Okay, so definitely he must be earning I think unlimited. Sometimes one
Hmm.
1,000, sometimes 2,000, like that. And you told me that you have a own taxi. Am I right? Own car.
Hmm. Yes, like we
Yes.
have our own car, but the some days what is happening, the in Delhi there is something like this, the Uber and Ola, they are not providing some good amount.
Yes,
So
right,
we
right,
are saving some amount for the future also. Like for
right.
our, like in April we have to admit it, in we have to send our kids for the school also. We have saving this amount because in Delhi, if you are going, if my son will go school, so the charges will be start 5 to 6,000 rupees. I have to pay in a single
Okay,
day.
okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
so
Right,
that's
I
why I'm
can
saving
understand
now.
because nowadays, Ola taxi, are running everywhere. Do you know?
Hmm.
So that is why your husband, might not get lots of, what can I say,
Bookings. Yes,
passenger
he is not
booking.
receiving that
Right.
kind of the bookings, right?
That is why he's not able to earn much, too much money.
Hmm.
Mm, okay, okay. Initially, also I used to drive an auto, but I left.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I enjoyed a lot, but I did not use to earn lots of money. Mm,
You can enjoy that period also, but if you will say now, you can save some money. So some
mm,
situation will come, and then you will spend whole money in that. Like you have to
mm,
service your car, you have to pay
mm,
EMIs, you have to pay your room rent. So you cannot save that kind of
mm.
amount. You
Right,
can
right.
think about it.
Every month we have to pay room rent, right? Electronic
Hmm.
bill, and if we have
Parking.
children, okay, the school fee. Am I right? We have to pay lots of fee. So we are not able to save. Okay.
Hmm.
Sometimes we think I wish I were a rich person. I had a lots of money. Do you think like this? Yeah, I wish I were a rich person. I wish I had a big company. Have you ever thought like that?
I never thought like this, but I
Okay.
will say that I want to be independent woman. So I will think about only one thing, that I can earn that much so I can, like I can hold my baby, like I can, whatever my baby will want, I can provide to him. So I have that much confidence. Earlier I had one job also, I did one job also, so at that time I was earning 15k 15k. So now if any company I will go, so I can demand 20k.
Okay. Okay. Great.
So
Great.
that's, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so that's all I'm thinking. Like in future, if the situation will come, I can take any decision of my baby, and I can provide him whatever he wants.
Mm-hmm. You
Hmm.
must have something important, right? To earn money.
Hmm.
Early initially,
Yes.
you used to do job. Am I right? But just
Hmm.
because of some reason, you had to leave that job. Hmm.
Yes.
So, do you have maybe any plan that in future you will start again your job?
Seriously, I don't have any plan to start my job, but you know, some plans are decided by gods, not by us. If situation will come, I am ready to do that. Up if the situation will go smoothly, because right now my husband is also searching a shop, like a shop for like food shop. If that shop
Okay.
will go run well, so I don't think so. I in future I need to work, but in the social media I want to work on, because I have some interest in social media.
Right, right, right. I can understand.
Hmm.
In Delhi, many people, are living in Delhi who are doing a job.
Hmm.
You have knowledge, and if your husband has a knowledge to sell something, okay,
Hmm.
beside the road, definitely, you will earn lots of money. And within
Hmm.
a year, you will become rich. I have seen when I was in Mumbai, okay, so many people used to sell vada pav beside the road, okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
and I have seen, and they purchase, big flight. They used to live with their family. Okay.
Hmm. Right.
Not feel. Because business is business. Okay. And job is job.
Hmm.
Right? Job is not
Yes.
permanent. Like business is permanent. Am I right?
Right.
Hmm. If you have any small business, okay, uh, anybody you can't say anything. Why are you not doing like this? Why are you not doing any like this? Okay. At least you don't have any kind
Hmm.
of pressure, right? And fully
Hmm.
you will enjoy. Hmm?
Hmm.
And you will think about your future. Today I will earn. Today I have earned 2,000. You will think tomorrow I will earn 3,000. Hmm? At least you will try to start your business. Hmm.
Hmm.
That is how to increase my business, right? But job is
Right.
very small thing. It is not permanent. If you go if you go to office every single day, sometimes you feel bored. Am I right? Because
Right. Right.
you know that my salary is only 15,000, only 10,000. Okay, so if I do hard
Right.
work, even though I'm given only 15,000, no, not too much.
Hmm.
That happens. Okay. If I were in Delhi, so definitely, I would start any kind of business. And I would sell, like, kachori, bhajia, like that, vada pav, pani puri.
Hmm.
Okay, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
So these
I
kind
would,
of the shops are also my husband is watching nowadays. But you know, if you have some amount, you have to spend on that. So you will think hundred of the time, should I open that shop or not? My
mm,
decision is good or not. Otherwise, your family is sitting back. But maybe in future they will support you or not. So you
right,
have to
right.
think.
Mm.
Hmm.
If I had a shop, pani puri shop, I would, give you every day pani puri to eat. Okay, without any
Okay.
tax charge. Okay, but
Okay, no
I'm
problem. You
not.
can provide. You can give me.
Mm, okay,
But the
okay.
water should be good.
Yes.
The water should be
Mm,
spicy. You know,
definitely,
girls
definitely.
always like spicy food.
I would make a spicy food, a spicy chole
Hmm.
bhature, pani puri, like that. Because unless you make a spicy, chole bhature, the people, can't come, at your shop. Okay.
Hmm.
Once the people eat, once your customer eat, they will understand. Oh, this guy, makes
Hmm.
very tasty, very spicy. They
Hmm.
will come to you again and again. Okay.
Hmm.
And
Right.
they will call another what can I say, customer. Hmm?
You know, these kind of the situation I faced also. Like
Hmm.
in my home, I check everywhere stall, like stall. I check everywhere, but there is a one stall like there. It is water ball stall. I went there. Now I like that pani puri. When I eat anywhere, like another pani puri stall, so I don't like the taste. I said to my husband, if he will coming, so take only that person pani puri, otherwise don't come with, because I like the
Hmm.
taste of that. If somebody want to suggest me, na, if you want to go somewhere, if you want to eat pani puri, so I said to him, please go there. That pani puri is very tasty.
Wow.
Yes,
Hmm.
and that person is famous in very short of time, like 6 months. That stall is famous, getting so famous, and that
Hmm.
stall timing was 2, and that was end by 10 p.m. So now you can
Hmm.
think that how much he is earning every day
Right. Right.
by his pani puri.
I can understand. Okay.
Hmm.
He know how to make a spicy chole bhature, pani puri, kachori, bhajia, so
Hmm.
many things. Okay. He want to call more and more customer because he has become habitual. Okay, and he has recognized the people.
Mhm.
Actually,
Yes.
what the people want. Okay, and what do
Hmm.
people want? They know about the people. Okay, that is why they know everything. Okay, suppose if
Hmm.
you if start any kind of business. Okay, and if you are getting customer automatically, then you must think, oh my god, something is different. Okay, because the people
Hmm.
coming here, are coming here, so I am making
Hmm.
tasty food. Am I right? That is why the people are coming. But if you are not getting customer, then you will think, oh, there is just something different. I'm not able to make a good food, good vada puri like that. Okay,
Hmm.
definitely you
Hmm.
will try to change it. Hmm? So you
Hmm.
must have knowledge any kind of business before going to start a business. You must have knowledge. If you don't have knowledge, proper knowledge, huh, then it will be waste. It will be wasted,
Yes.
right? You
Totally
must have
wasted.
knowledge. Hmm. But beside
Hmm.
the road, if you have only some money, only 3,000, 5,000, like that, they can. Then you can start. Very easy in business. Only fine. No need to have
Hmm.
lots of money, lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. Okay. If you have too much amount,
Hmm.
then you start big business.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So try to become a rich person. Try to earn lots of money because if you have, I will respect you. If you don't have, I will not respect you. And it is
Yes.
universal truth, right?
Right.
Okay. So I have also
So
one idea. Yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
actually, my half of the internet is has gone now. So I think